Researchers here in Ottawa are being recognized worldwide this week for leading important studies into healthy living and obesity. CHEO is a research group called HALO, and its directors have published papers that change the way we understand children's health. Mark Tremblay is the director, and we were just talking. I mean, this is a worldwide look at this kind of work, and it cites your work as being some of the top in the world. What's that like?
Yeah, it's a privilege. It's an honor for sure. It's flattering. But I think what people need to realize is that, similar to the phrase that it takes a village to raise a child, it takes a village to raise a world-class research group as well, and that includes a fantastic research group, which HALO has, but great support from CHEO, the CHEO Research Institute, the CHEO Foundation, and the people of this area that are generous donors to help make us be a world-class institution.
Tell us about the work you do, because I think it touches families, it touches grandparents, it touches anybody who has any interest in healthy kids, and it's you hit some key themes about our modern life and what screens have done.
Yeah, for sure. And modern living is associated with an accelerated decline in health, sadly, although perhaps intuitively as well. We live a rather sedentary life. And in the HALO research group, we were the first in the world to create what are called 24-hour movement behavior guidelines, trying to provide guidance to the world to recalibrate our lifestyles to one that's consistent with healthy, active living.
Unstructured play, structured play, but movement, right? Vigorous movement.
That's right. Foundation is a good night's sleep, which is going to give us the energy to get up and move a lot. Structured play, unstructured play, throughout the day, not just during hockey practice or whatever, and to moderate our screen time and our prolonged sitting time, which we know is associated with all kinds of adverse health consequences.
And the other thing, too, that I'm struck by is that this is the first time in our human history where we have been so sedentary. Like this is not normal. It's never happened before, right? And we don't think of it that way because all of these things have advanced our technology and our lives, in quotes, but in many ways they've reversed them.
And so this is what we study. We consider this the largest natural experiment, so it's not something that we've intervened with, but it's occurring in society and we have no idea how it's going to turn out. We're starting to see the consequences, cognitive, social, mental, emotional consequences, and physical consequences to our children's health associated with this imbalance, this excess sitting, excess screen time, digital time, living in 2 dimensions instead of 3 dimensions, divorced from nature, which we've interacted with for the entire existence of the species. And so this natural experiment's going on, and I think something we need to pay a lot of attention to when we focus on in HALO.
Great to have you in, and thanks so much for talking about HALO. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Your continued support makes a difference in the lives of the children at CHEO. Please visit CHEOFoundation.com and donate today. Patricia.